Hey Owls, welcome to the Edison News this week. I am Ms. Rivera, the Gear Up Program Manager here at Edison High School. Your host with the most, Terrell, is out this week, so I'm covering for him. So now on to our highlights, school announcements, news, and of course, your week's weather.
I'm Ms. Fisher. I'm the dance teacher here at Edison High School. Here we learn our introduction to all dance forms, and we start with partner dancing, especially the Latin dances, so merengue and bachata and salsa and cha-cha and rumba. But the idea is to start with partner dancing to help our students break down the social and emotional barriers that come with us to school every day, especially at our age in high school. Dance might not be your favorite thing or your first choice, but it's definitely something that is needed. So take a chance on dance.
Great news for all you students and teachers out there. Remember, we enter our short spring break tomorrow. School will be closed from Thursday, April 18th through Monday the 22nd. So you guys are off Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So enjoy your time off, and we will see all of you on Tuesday, April 23rd.
The beautiful blessing of them being at Edison is that they are prepared for the state board every single year that they're here. They could take it and get certified in their field and also get college credits. Who would not want to leave high school with 12 credits to go on, and basically you're not a freshman, you're going to college as a sophomore, and the school district pays for it. Like, Thursday and Friday they're here where they get to practice on mannequins or actual clients that come in. This is a blessing of opportunity.
Students, this is a reminder that each and every single one of you have a school district Gmail account. All you have to do is go to Gmail. Your email address is your student ID number at philasd.org, and your password is the same password that you use to log in to view your grades. So please make sure you're checking your emails for important information about any upcoming trips, summer programs, jobs, scholarships, and anything that has to do with you and your grade.
The CTE program in general is a wonderful program. Every one of them has a component of literacy, which includes certainly all math, reading, writing, as well as specific technical information. But I know that the teachers that I work with do a wonderful job, and they work as hard as you can possibly work to provide a quality education, or at least an opportunity for a quality education. If you do the things that I ask you to do, and you learn the things that I would like to teach you, there's nothing that we cannot do.
Students, if you are interested in applying for a summer job, you must complete the online Work Ready application. They have extended the deadline, so you still have time. All you need to know is your Social Security number to start the process. So go to workready.org to begin your online application. You can do it here in school or do it from home. But make sure to begin it if you plan on working this summer. The link has been sent to you to your school district Gmail, so check your Gmail.
My name is Julio Rivera. This is Fredo at Thomas Edison High School Welding Department. This is how you use the Lincoln Electric Vertex machine. We're going to show you another way of it. As you can see right here, I got it in a different angle. He's going to do half and half. Right now he's going to do half fast and half slow. But with the slow one, he's going to do it as he's far away. Look at this. You can change it as you please. Right now he's too far, and as you can see, this bit of dots, that's exactly how it's going to be if we're going to be out there in the shop. And that means it has porosity and a lot of discontinuity, and he's very far. You can tell just by looking at the angle. If you're shaking too much, if you are not ready, or if you're very close, you could damage the machine, and it simulates exactly how it's going to be in the shop.
Students, are you all excited for Earth Day? We're having our first annual Earth Day block party. It's next week on April 24th in the afternoon. You will be able to attend this event and be excused from the rest of your classes. That's awesome. There's going to be music, beverages, giant games such as Jenga, natural beauty projects, lots of gardening activities, and lots of other things happening. This event will be around our beautiful campus, and if it's raining, we will bring the party inside. So if you have any questions, you should ask Miss Lowry. She's usually found in the gym.
Basically, this helps you if you go through a program and learn everything, you don't have to go to trade school. There's things here that I can teach that trade school already does. Trade school is about $15,000 to go into. But it's important because we're actually in demand a lot and we're short-staffed. So right now, for example, the school district of Philly is looking for electricians because all their guys are retiring and they're hiring from high school. They're hiring our own students.
Seniors, your dues and student accounts are all due this month. By next Friday, April 26th, Ms. Cesarone is collecting money throughout the day in room 116, so make sure you get your accounts paid up in full. Also, seniors, find your future and explore your college and career options. Today, after school at the School District of Philadelphia, which is located at 440 North Broad Street, there's a big fair happening for you guys from 3:30 to 6:30 p.m. So go on down there, get information. If you have not completed your financial aid application for that free government money, there will be people down there waiting to help you fill that out. So take advantage of the information, take advantage of the fair. The link to register was sent to you to your school district Gmail. So please check your Gmail accounts and register and head on down there today after school.
When they leave from us, they do receive a certificate from us basically saying that they either completed 3 years or 4 years in the program. What that entitles them is entry into the military or one of the armed forces with more stripes, which means equates to more money for them. Or they usually have first preference into a JROTC college unit within the local area, Temple, and we also have St. Joe's.
Now on to our sports. Girls softball is unfortunately off to a rough start this year after last year's great season, only losing 1 game. This year is proving to be more difficult with the better conference. So after dropping its last game to Penn Treaty, their record stands at 1-4. But with 6 games remaining, there's still time to turn this season around. Let's go, girls. Boys baseball is once again at the top of their division, posting a record of 8-1. Mr. Mills has the boys playing well, going into the stretch run towards a deep run in the playoffs. Boys volleyball is playing well also, winning their 5th game of the year. As of this report, the team stands at 5-2. The boys keep getting better with each game, and learning how to play with each other is the key to victory in volleyball. And the boys are starting to show signs of teamwork. As far as the professional teams, NBA playoffs started this week. Sixers losing Game 1 and winning Game 2, series tied 1-1. Game 3 is this Thursday night at the Nets. Philly started their season and post a 9-6 record, looking for a great season from the new players this year and hopefully going back to the playoffs. And our lucky 10th grade students who went on the trip today with me got some free tickets to the Phillies game. So congratulations to those of you who showed up today and went on that trip with me. We will see you at the Phillies game. And that's it for sports.
When the students finish our plumbing program here, they'll be ready as an apprentice to go to work for a plumbing contractor.
You can expect to learn like mostly safety at first, and then you'll slowly get into learning about what each pipe does, how to cut it, how to put it together, stuff like that, and then you'll eventually start installing and repairing things.
Whether it's a commercial contractor, residential contractor, they'll have the basic knowledge to go in and become productive almost right away, which is what the goal is.
Now, here's Ms. Cohen with her tips for success in high school.
Welcome to this week's edition of Cohen's Corner, quick grammar tips and word usage tips for your enjoyment. This week, we're talking about your versus your. Your as a contraction of you are versus your as a possessive word. You're responsible for your schoolwork. You are responsible for your schoolwork. That's it, just a quick, easy tip before we head into the spring break weekend. I hope everyone has a relaxing few days off. We will be back here on Tuesday, April 23rd, which also happens to be Shakespeare's birthday, one of my favorite days of the year. Have a relaxing weekend, guys, and enjoy.
The type of student that really likes this class is the creative student. Whether it's drawing, there are students that can draw beautifully, there are students that can't draw at all that take this class, but they like the idea of creating something on a computer, being able to take nothing and form something. There are tremendous artists in this class who love to sketch, and they take their sketches and bring it into the computer, and the programs of Photoshop, Illustrator bring that drawing to life.
Thank you, Ms. Cohen, for your weekly tip. And that's all for us here at Edison Film Department. Mr. Espinal is our technical director. Glennie and Angelica are our associate producers. Luis Figueroa is our camera operator. And I was your host for the week, Ms. Rivera. Remember, teachers, if you have anything you want on the show, just email Mr. Espinal by Monday every week, and your news can be featured here. Thank you for having me, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And as always, see you next time.